All right, is this thing on? Testing, 1, 2. Hey, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Frankbrox Art. I am BrianFBroxton, and this is your place to come and relax and, sit back and enjoy the illustration process. I go through my pains, my pain points, and, my triumphs and so forth here. And, I'm pretty sure all you guys can relate to all that. So this is your place to come, relax, laugh, cry, bring joy, just see the whole process in the works, from the sketches to the going to sleep to the, the line work to the color, or the black and white and then to the color or whatever, just the illustration process in general. And that warm, okay, well, maybe I've rambled on enough. All right, so, man, let me tell you guys something. My computer was slowing down a little bit. I was like, what the heck is going on, But I had a lot of stuff on my computer that I had to kind of like drag off, because I was making so many videos, blah, blah, blah. And then I was working on the Froggy show, and then I was working on the Kakashi, illustration or whatever. And I saved over, by mistake, I saved over my Kakashi illustration. Stab in the heart. And when I was working on the Froggy show, I don't know, like my computer crashed or whatever, and I didn't save my work, so I kind of had to do it over again. So when you look at this video and you're like, wait a minute, is he starting over again? Yes, I'm starting over again. But I did save it to a point where I had some line work done, so it wasn't like a total save over. So, I did save it at a certain point, but it wasn't like, at a point to where it was already like almost done or whatever. So I had to do the line work again. It wasn't that painful this time, but I did finish it. So it's just the first panel. And I have a little bit of the second panel. So you can kind of see where I'm going at, or where it's, what it looks like in the second panel. I still got a little bit more work to do. I'm gonna just do all black and white, and then I'll come back later and then start popping into color and so forth. So, but if it looks good black and white, then it's gonna look awesome in color. So, I just want to, get the tones and the mood and, have everything together. And I'm gonna look at it and like, okay, it looks good. So now I can add some color and, all that stuff. So anyway, man, it's been a couple of weeks. It's been some trying times. I hate it. That's the only thing with digital art. It's like when it's like your computer can, can clam up on you and shut down, or, you can save over something. There's pros and cons with digital work or digital artwork, and then there's pros and cons even with if you're working on paper and pencil. So, but I just hate it when I either save over something or my computer shuts down. So guys, just enjoy, and I'll holler at you later. Peace. More videos coming soon, and like and subscribe.